On. The puppy is on the box. In. The puppy is in the box. Beside. Next to. The puppy is beside the box. The puppy is next to the box. Behind. The puppy is behind the box. Through. The puppy squeezed through the box. Around. The puppy is walking around the box. Near. The puppy is near the box. Against. The puppy is leaning against the box. Beneath. Under. The puppy is hiding beneath the box. The puppy is hiding under the box. Between. The puppy is between two boxes. Above. The puppy is above the box. Over. The puppy leaps over the box. Among. The puppy is among those boxes. By. The puppy is by the box. In front of. The puppy is in front of the box. To the right of. The puppy is to the right of the box. To the left of. The puppy is to the left of the box.